Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scuba diving masks available on the market today. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting out, this guide will help you choose the perfect mask for your underwater adventures. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask. This mask stands out with its unique full face design, offering a 180-degree panoramic view for an immersive underwater experience. The transparent flat lens made of high-definition premium PU resin ensures distortion-free clarity, making it ideal for snorkeling enthusiasts who want to capture every detail. Plus, the integrated camera mount is perfect for adventurers looking to record their underwater explorations. The G2 features a dry top system with an expanded snorkel diameter of 1.26 inches, ensuring smooth and comfortable breathing during surface snorkeling. Its dual-channel exhaust valve minimizes fogging and enhances air circulation, providing a clear view in varying water temperatures. The folding design makes it compact and travel-friendly, and its durable build ensures long-lasting performance. However, keep in mind that this mask is designed for surface snorkeling and may not work well for deeper dives. While the Great Ever G2 excels in ease of use and panoramic views, its bulky design may feel less comfortable during extended sessions compared to traditional scuba masks. It's ideal for recreational snorkelers who prioritize comfort and visibility over compactness. Overall, it's a solid pick for casual outings, but might not suit professional divers. Pros: panoramic view, anti-fog design, camera mount. Cons: bulky, not suitable for deeper dives. At number 4, we have the EXP Vision Adult Pano 3 Scuba Diving Mask. This mask is designed for both comfort and performance, making it a great choice for snorkeling, freediving, and swimming. Its standout feature is the panoramic 3-lens design that offers a stunning 180-degree view, allowing divers to take in vibrant marine life and coral reefs with ease. The ultra-clear tempered glass lens with an anti-fog coating ensures crystal-clear visibility, which is a big plus for exploring underwater environments. The mask's lightweight build and soft silicone skirt create a snug, leak-proof fit, making it suitable for various face shapes. The adjustable silicone straps and side buckles provide additional customization for a secure fit. Additionally, the tempered glass lens is both scratch-resistant and shatter-resistant, providing durability and safety during dives. However, the mask is not suitable for high-impact activities like diving into water from heights, as the tempered glass lens might shatter under extreme pressure. The EXP Vision Pano 3 is ideal for recreational divers and swimmers who value comfort and panoramic views. It's not the most feature-packed option on the list, but it delivers reliable performance for its price point. Pros: panoramic view, anti-fog coating, durable build. Cons: not suitable for high-impact diving. Coming in at number 3 is the Scuba Prime Pano 3 Scuba Diving Mask. This mask is designed with a 3-window panoramic structure that delivers an exceptional 180-degree wide view, perfect for reef exploration and capturing underwater moments. The tempered glass lenses ensure scratch and impact resistance, making this mask a durable companion for scuba diving and snorkeling adventures. What sets this mask apart is its anti-leak silicone seal, which provides a secure fit across various face shapes, ensuring comfort even during extended dives. The quick-fit buckles allow for easy strap adjustments, enabling divers to customize the fit with minimal hassle. Additionally, the lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to pack it with ease for your next underwater trip. However, some users might find the 3-lens design slightly heavier compared to single-lens options. Overall, the Scuba Prime Pano 3 Scuba Diving Mask is a fantastic choice for recreational divers who prioritize wide viewing angles and durability. It's not the lightest mask available, but it strikes a balance between comfort and performance. Pros: wide panoramic view, durable tempered glass, anti-leak seal. Cons: slightly heavier than single-lens designs. At number 2, We have the Great Ever Dry Snorkel Set, a top-notch choice for both beginners and experienced divers. This mask features a single-layer tempered glass lens with anti-fog treatment, ensuring clear visibility even in challenging underwater conditions. The ultra-soft hypoallergenic silicone skirt provides a comfortable and leak-proof fit, making it suitable for extended snorkeling sessions. Its dry floating valve design and flexible breath tube offer effortless breathing and draining, adding to its user-friendly design. The mask is designed to adapt to various face shapes and is equipped with adjustable straps for a secure fit. It also comes with a mesh bag for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for travel. However, the dual lens design might limit peripheral vision slightly compared to panoramic models, which could be a drawback for some users. The Great Ever Dry Snorkel Set is an excellent choice for divers who value comfort and reliability. It's not the most advanced mask on the list, but it delivers solid performance at a competitive price point. Pros: anti-fog lens, comfortable silicone skirt, easy-to-use design. Cons: limited peripheral vision. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cressy Perfect View Scuba Diving Mask, Liberty Tri-Side. Designed in Italy, this premium mask combines comfort, style, and performance in a sleek package. Its 3-window design with tempered glass provides an expansive panoramic view, making it perfect for scuba diving and snorkeling enthusiasts. The low-volume design makes it easy to clear, while the one-handed nose pocket allows for effortless ear equalization during dives. The mask skirt and strap are made from 100% silicone, ensuring a perfect fit and seal on the face. The push-button swivel buckles make strap adjustments quick and hassle-free, while the spray-painted frame adds a touch of elegance to its design. With its durable build and comfortable fit, the Cressy Liberty Tri-Side is suitable for extended diving sessions and various underwater activities. However, its higher price point might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a diving mask that delivers in every category, the Cressy Liberty Tri-Side is a clear winner. It's ideal for professional divers and enthusiasts who prioritize quality and performance. Pros: panoramic view, durable silicone build, stylish design. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect scuba diving mask for your needs. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Dive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.